I'm Zack from Gemeco Marine, a member of the Airmar family of companies. We are very well known for Airmar transducers as well as Airmar Smart Boat product, in addition to our other core product lines of ActiSense, C-Zone, and Maritron. But we carry a full selection of product, also very valuable parts to have in your toolbox. What makes us different is not necessarily the boxes that we sell, but that we're selling solutions. So when you contact us and you have a question, we can walk you through the process. And we have a fully trained staff that's able to take these inquiries and assist you all the way through. Our ability to take these questions and take these complex solutions and turn them into something manageable is really what sets us apart. So give us a call, send us an email, visit us at our website, it's the bottom of the screen. We're always happy to help, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.